Welcome back to the channel, car lovers and classic American muscle fans. Today we're stepping into a true icon of automotive history, a car that represents style, power, and pure presence on the road, the 1962 Chevrolet Impala SS, finished in an intimidating, deep black color. This isn't just a classic car, it's a rolling piece of American culture. The Impala SS of 1962 marked a turning point for Chevrolet, introducing the Super Sport package as a serious performance statement while still delivering luxury, comfort, and jaw-dropping design. From its long, low silhouette to the unmistakable rumble under the hood, this car was built to turn heads in the 1960s and it still does exactly the same today. Whether you're a collector, a cruiser, or someone who simply appreciates timeless design, stay with me because this long, detailed review will cover everything: the exterior beauty, the interior vibe, the performance soul, and what this legend is worth in today's market. Exterior. The exterior of the 1962 Chevrolet Impala SS is where the love story begins. Finished in black, this car looks both elegant and menacing at the same time. The body is long, wide, and low, giving it that unmistakable early 60s American presence. The front end is clean and aggressive, with quad headlights neatly integrated into a sculpted grille that feels confident rather than flashy. The chrome accents are perfectly balanced, not overdone, but just enough to remind you that this car was built during the golden age of automotive styling. One of the most iconic design elements is the sharp body line that runs from the front fender all the way to the rear, giving the Impala SS a sleek, almost aircraft-inspired profile. The black paint amplifies every curve and contour, especially under sunlight, where reflections glide across the metal like liquid. The SS badging is subtle but meaningful, quietly telling you that this is not a standard Impala, this one means business. Moving to the side, the long doors and pillarless hardtop design create a smooth, uninterrupted look when the windows are down. It's pure cruising perfection. The chrome window trim and door handles add just the right amount of contrast against the black paint. Those classic wheels, often paired with thin whitewall tires, complete the vintage muscle look beautifully. At the rear, the triple round taillights on each side instantly identify this car as an Impala. They're bold, symmetrical, and unforgettable. The wide rear stance, combined with subtle chrome trim and a clean bumper design, gives the car a confident finish. Overall, the exterior of the 1962 Impala SS is a masterclass in classic American design, bold without being loud, stylish without being fragile, and powerful without even turning the key. Interior. Step inside the 1962 Chevrolet Impala SS, and you're transported to a time when cars were designed to feel special. The interior of this black Impala SS is all about space, comfort, and style. One of the most iconic features is the SS bucket seats, which were a major highlight at the time. They're wide, well-padded, and designed for cruising rather than aggressive cornering, perfectly matching the car's personality. The upholstery, often finished in vinyl or a combination of vinyl and cloth, feels durable yet classy. In a black Impala SS, the dark interior creates a cockpit-like feel, especially when paired with chrome accents and brushed metal trim. The door panels are clean and stylish, with horizontal lines that echo the car's exterior design language. The dashboard is simple, elegant, and driver-focused. Large, easy-to-read gauges sit directly in front of the steering wheel, providing all the essential information without clutter. The steering wheel itself is thin by modern standards but feels authentic and engaging, connecting you directly to the road. Chrome details on the dash, radio, and controls add a touch of luxury that reminds you this was a premium model. One standout feature is the center console, which was part of the Super Sport package. It gives the interior a sportier, more purposeful feel, especially when paired with a floor-mounted shifter. The layout is intuitive, and everything feels solid, built to last decades rather than years. Rear seat space is generous, making this a true full-size cruiser. Passengers in the back have plenty of legroom and headroom, which made the Impala SS not just a performance car, but also a family-friendly one back in the day. Overall, the interior strikes a perfect balance between comfort and sportiness, making every drive feel like a special occasion. Performance. Now let's talk about the heart and soul of the 1962 Chevrolet Impala SS, performance. This is where the super sport badge truly earns its respect. The 1962 Impala SS was available with a range of powerful V8 engines, allowing buyers to choose how wild they wanted their ride to be. From strong small block options to thunderous big block engines, this car delivered serious muscle for its time. One of the most legendary options was the 409 cubic inch V8, an engine that became a cultural icon thanks to its raw power and unforgettable sound. With horsepower figures that pushed well beyond what most cars offered in the early 1960s, the Impala SS could launch hard, pull strong, and dominate highways with ease. Even today, the sound of a classic V8 from this era sends chills down the spine. Acceleration was impressive for such a large car, especially when equipped with the right engine and gearing. The torque delivery is smooth but forceful, making the car feel effortless at speed. This isn't a lightweight sports car. It's a powerful cruiser that thrives on long, open roads. The suspension is tuned for comfort, absorbing bumps and imperfections while still providing a stable, confident ride. Steering is relaxed, and braking, while basic by modern standards, was respectable for its era. Driving a 1962 Impala SS is not about lap times or sharp corners, it's about the experience. The vibration of the engine, the sound of the exhaust, and the feeling of commanding such a large, powerful machine make every drive memorable. It's pure, mechanical, and emotionally engaging in a way modern cars rarely are. Prices. When it comes to pricing, the 1962 Chevrolet Impala SS has become one of the most desirable classic American cars on the market. Back in 1962, it was positioned as a premium performance option, offering great value for the power and style it delivered. Today, its value has skyrocketed, especially for well-maintained or fully restored examples. Prices can vary widely depending on condition, originality, engine choice, and documentation. A driver-quality Impala SS in decent condition can still be found at a relatively accessible price for classic car enthusiasts. However, fully restored or numbers-matching examples, especially those equipped with high-performance engines like the 409, can command significantly higher prices. The black color adds to the desirability, as it highlights the car's lines and gives it a timeless, aggressive look. Collectors are willing to pay a premium for clean interiors, original trim, and correct mechanical components. The good news is that parts availability remains strong, and there is a massive aftermarket and community support for the Impala, making ownership more manageable than many other classics. In terms of investment, the 1962 Impala SS has proven to be a solid choice. Its cultural significance, iconic design, and strong performance heritage continue to drive demand. Whether you're buying one to enjoy on weekend cruises or to add to a serious collection, this car holds its value exceptionally well. The 1962 Chevrolet Impala SS in black is more than just a classic car, it's a statement. It represents an era when cars were bold, powerful, and full of personality. From its stunning exterior and comfortable interior to its legendary performance and strong market value, this Impala SS checks all the right boxes. It's a car that doesn't just transport you from one place to another, it transports you back in time. If you enjoyed this long, detailed review, make sure to like the video, subscribe to the channel, and comment below with your thoughts on the 1962 Impala SS. Would you cruise it, restore it, or keep it stock? Thanks for watching, and I'll see you in the next one with another legendary ride.